Hello, hi guys. This video is a 100 facts about me challenge. This video is not supposed to take so much time. Let me say, in less than before 15 minutes I should be done. So help me God. But yes, the time here is 4:45. If you can see, let me not break my hand in the presence of me trying to shape up. Yes, I'll be fast about it. I'm a girl. I'm an ambivert. You know what that means. I'm the last child of my parents. I'm using my laptop because it's the only screen I have now aside from my phone. Yeah. I'm outspoken to some extent. I speak Igbo because I'm Igbo from Nigeria. I like intellectual discussions. I'm a firm believer in God. I'm a Catholic, a proud one. You'd always see me with this. I like to have a sacramental with me. So, I'm an electrical engineer. That was what I studied in school. And yes, I love my field of study. I'm a makeup artist. I don't like being mind played. Like taking me like playing and toying with my. I don't like it. Don't come close. I love to finish whatever I start. I don't watch overhyped movies because you're watching it and he's watching it and she's watching it and everybody are talking about it. I might end up not watching that movie. Like Money Heist. I've not watched that video up to now. But yeah, because honestly, if I'm one of the first few persons that watched it, and then I can now join and say, oh please come watch this movie because it is interesting. At least I watched it when nobody was talking about it. But once everybody starts talking about it, count me out. And plus I don't like series. But I watch series. I just don't like to do what everybody is doing. I like to observe. Call me an observer. I'm that girl that will sit back in a room in a corner and just I'm watching before I can. Call me an observer, yeah. I'm happier when I'm singing or listening to a music. I smile a lot. I don't know or want to believe. I don't want to believe that I talk like a baby. Do I talk like a baby? Because everybody says that I talk like a baby. I don't know anymore. I can't stay angry for a long time. I'm more productive when I'm busy. I love good communication. I'm ambidextrous. I have a good fashion sense. I like trying out new things. I could be troublesome. They say it's a last born thing, so you see, it's not my fault. I'm a fan of calls, phone calls, visual call, visual message, and blah blah blah. I'm a fan of that than text. I love jewelries. I prefer silver jewelries to gold jewelries. I don't believe in love at first sight. I love photography. I like to take photos. I'm not a shy person. Instead, I'm a very, very shy person. To some extent, I'm a confident person. Of course, you know that there are two different things. I like things being organized. I hate washing plates. Of all the house chores in the house, please don't tell me to wash plates. I don't like washing plates. If I were to pick a house chore, it would be to arrange the house. Yeah. I don't like routines. I don't like following a particular step or process periodically or a number of times. Like it's just that way. I would like to try out many other methods to achieving that same thing. But I don't like routines, please. I'm a good listener. If you feel like talking, come to me. I'll listen. Yes. I don't like reading. I'm that girl that would pick an audiobook to listen to. That means sitting down to read it. I don't like that. I like courses that has to do with calculations. I'm a smart one. I get irritated at Mr. and Mrs. No. I like to deal with mature minds. I don't like chocolates. I like eggs. I love sci-fi movies. I still watch cartoons at my age. Yeah, I know. I like watching cartoons. Yes, thank you. Judge me. It's my person. Don't judge me, please. I love quality over quantity. I don't know how to dance. I love spicy food, really spicy food. I hate injections. Please give me drugs instead of injections. I don't like blood. My favorite number is 14. I love bananas. I love to listen to calm, soft music. I hate abusive words being said to me. I'm kind of reserved with my words. I get anxious about things so much. I don't have a favorite color, but if I were to choose, I'll say white, I'll say pink, brown, green, cream color, ash. I've mentioned black before. Navy blue, oh, sky blue, yellow. Exactly, I don't have a favorite color. I love to make other people up more than myself. My favorite drink is Fanta. Orange juice is anything orange. Count me in. I don't like to eat noodles. I didn't prepare myself. I love golden morn cereals. I like to sleep with my blankets. Who taught me that? I went to a boarding school. Yes, they taught me that. I love cold places. Please. I'm Aries because my birthday is in April. My favorite YouTuber is Laye5. I hate cats and I hate snakes too. I love dogs. I flow pretty well with kids. I could argue a lot. I'm very hilarious. I'm dramatic. I'm not a romantic kind of person. I prefer chicken and turkey over fish. I love night, early morning reading, studying. I don't like reading during the day when people are awake and wondering about because I get distracted. So no. I'm overly honest. I would rather not talk than lie. God, it's already past the 15 minutes that I said. But please now finish. We are going to be pretty quick this time around. I'm a fast learner. My facial expression communicates faster than my mouth would do. My music test is 95% not Nigerian. I like solitude to some extent. I don't remember people's faces so much. Thereby, they think that I snob. I might spend some time with you today, and by tomorrow or the next, I won't remember you. Or maybe my head will be battling. Where did I know this person from? And I might end up not saying hi to you as you'll be expecting. And then they tend to think that I'm just snobbing or forming one silly thing or the other. Please, I just don't remember. I don't like planning things, outings, calls. It would, in place of me thinking about it, I might back out. I'm not going again. Don't plan. Don't just inform me. Okay, yes, but don't carry the matter in your head and you now be like, oh, we'll meet so place. Oh, we'll wear so clothes. Oh, we'll do this and that. I would think about it. I would think about every single little details of it, and in the process, I'll tell you I'm not doing it. I'm not going. That brings me to my next one. I don't like going out. But you see the reason why I don't like going out. If you inform me, oh, okay, let's go out, I will go out. But if you tell me and start planning about it, we're going anywhere. Um, uh, I don't like going out to some extent. Everything is just moderate. I like gowns over skirts. I don't like to be stressed. Don't stress me. I like things being pretty organized. I think I've said this before, but I'm saying it again. I like things to be very, very, very organized. Don't boss me around, please. I don't like it. I like cheese balls. I'm so unpredictable. I have dimples. I'm an overthinker. I like to give my best in anything that I do. I love to dance, but I don't know how to dance. I don't like shopping. Please go to the market on my behalf. Buy that thing for me. Bring it. And I will appreciate you so much. Thank you. I'm calm. Consider me the quiet one. I love perfumes, good fragrance. I love putting on heels. I'm lovely. I'm a sweet person. Yeah! I'm done. We won. In the process of me making this video, I was able to discover some things and even ask myself question, who am I? Am I like this or like that? It's important that you know yourself for yourself so that people don't impose another kind of person on you and then you even start acting that way. So it's very important. I hope you enjoyed this video because I did enjoy filming it. Let me tell you what happened. This is the second time I'm making this video. I'll show you guys the first one. I'd finished filming it, but in the process of me trying to edit, I noticed something and I couldn't put it out there, so I needed to make another video. So this is the second time I'm doing this, and I wasn't expecting my spirit to be this high, but I love. I'm talking about me, so something that I would love to do. And that is what I'm doing. But yeah, we're done. Voila! If you've not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Let me just you again. Do you know I'm filming this video without a ring light? Do you know? If you want to know how I was able to achieve this, I'm telling you, go and watch that my other video. I'll put it up here or here. I'll put a card there so you can for your lighting setup and tricks and